Hello mga ka-campers, right now we are in Utapao Beach camping site. So it's actually a Sabbath retreat with my best friend, roommate, Lanlan. Kanta muna tayo guys, it's Sabbath today so we have to sing praises to God. This song is entitled Growing in Jesus, one of my favorite. It takes a lot to growing for a tree to reach the sky. It takes a lot to rain to help me grow. It takes a lot to run for a child to catch the wind. It takes a lot to walking to learn to ride, and I'm growing in Jesus, getting stronger each and every day, in every way, 'cause Jesus is growing in me. Many times I feel discouraged. Will the rain get in my way? I didn't know that it would help me grow. And every time I ran ahead, I'd always make a turn. And when I'm looking back with what I've learned, and I'm growing in Jesus, getting stronger each and every day, in every way, 'cause Jesus is growing in me. Growing in Jesus, getting stronger each and every day, in every way, 'cause Jesus is growing in Happy Sabbath everyone. God bless.